Hello and welcome to the 411 on Making Money Online. For those of you who watched part 1 and 2 of this 3-part series, welcome back. I'm very glad you're here. For those who are new, you're more than welcome to stay, but I do suggest you go and watch part 1 and part 2. Don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss out on future videos centered around making money online. Now let's take a look at some tools and resources you can use on your affiliate marketing journey. Tool number 1, affiliate program directories. There are directories like AF Plus and Offer Vault that list various affiliate programs. These are great places to discover new opportunities. Tool number 2, Affiliate Network is a website which advertisers find publishers who can promote content to their target audiences. Affiliate networks like CJ Affiliate, ClickBank, and Rakuten Advertising will connect you with multiple brands in one place, simplifying your affiliate marketing efforts. Tool number 3, keyword research tools. Tools like SEMrush, Ubersuggest, and vidIQ can help you find profitable keywords you can use during content creation that will help optimize your content for search engines. Tool number 4, email marketing platforms. First, let's get what is email marketing. Email marketing is a direct marketing channel to send information about your product or service. It is one-on-one communication which allows a more personal experience for the recipient. Emails are more likely to convert to a sale than other channels because they opted in when looking at your offer. Emails help establish and nurture your relationship with your consumer and help you gain insight into what your consumers are interested in and to continue to develop relations with them over time. Emailing customers may seem overwhelming, especially if you have gathered a lot of emails, but that's what email marketing platforms do for you. They send your emails according to your specifications for you. One-on-one communication which allows a more personal experience for the recipient. Emails are more likely to convert to a sale than other channels because they opted in when looking at your offer. Emails help establish and nurture your relationship with your consumer and help you gain insight into what your consumers are interested in and to continue to develop relations with them over time. Emailing customers may seem overwhelming, especially if you have gathered a lot of emails, but that's what email marketing platforms do for you. They send your emails according to your specifications for you. It's completely automated. You create the emails and schedule when you want them sent, and the email marketing platform will do the rest. A solid email marketing strategy not only drives sales, but nurtures the know, like, and trust factor needed to become buyers now and again in the future when you are offering another product or service you feel your audience could benefit from. Email marketing platforms like MailChimp or ConvertKit will help you build and manage your email list effectively. Tool number 5, analytics and tracking. Google Analytics and affiliate-specific traffic tools like Volume and RedTrack help you monitor your performance and optimize your campaigns. It will show what keywords and type of content are working well and identifies what needs to be improved upon. Be consistent with reviewing your analytics and tracking, as they have a direct impact on current and potential income-based performance. Don't forget to subscribe for more in-depth ideas, tips, and tutorials on making money online. If you find this video valuable, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends and family who may be interested in this topic. Now that you have a ton of information on affiliate marketing, what's next? Take action. Start by researching affiliate programs, creating valuable, engaging content while using some strategies and tools we have discussed. Remember, success in affiliate marketing comes from dedication and persistence. Keep learning, adapting, and growing your affiliate business.